Hi guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we will be seeing how you can log into your Telegram from QR code. So the first thing that you want to do is open any type of browser. Here I am using Chrome browser. After opening your browser, type on Telegram login and then click on the first link that you see with a blue logo and a arrow. After opening the web page, you can see the QR code is given to you. Now on your phone, open the Telegram app. After opening the Telegram app, go to your setting, which is on the bottom right corner of your phone. After clicking on settings, scroll down to devices. Click on devices. Now you can see the option link desktop device. After clicking on link desktop device, your camera will be opened and you can scan your QR just like this. And there you go. Now you have been logged into your Telegram. If you like videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you next time.